Weber does offer a variety of different controllers. This one here is a very popular C30S controller. It does come with a 7-inch touchscreen, which makes this guy great is that you don't need to bring a laptop to the unit to make programming changes. You don't need to buy auxiliary devices to unlock some of the functionality of the system. And you can also do all your changes directly on the touchscreen. For example, I want to change some of the parameter settings in my screw program. I can go to screw program, I can go edit program, and say, for example, I will change the speed. Right now it's set at 800 RPM. I'll make it 850 RPM, and it's simply that easy. So the unit itself will permit 31 unique programs to be housed within the system, accessed via your PLC or your controls. And it also offers 13 ready-to-go CAN torque strategies. So a torque strategy would be something like one that's very popular is to drive to a specific depth, then tighten to torque while monitoring angle or the degrees of rotation of the fastener. Another one would be drive to torque while monitoring angle. And another one which is available would be to drive to a specific torque, rotate that fastener a certain number of degrees, and then retighten to a final torque before release.